Welcome to my channel, Cuisine. In this video I'll be showing you how to make veggie tacos. Firstly, in a saucepan, add the olive oil and let that heat up. Now add in the garlic, ginger and chili and saute for a minute. Now add in the chopped onions and saute for about 2 minutes. Now add in the Jeera Powder, the Tumeric, the Red Chilli Powder and salt to taste. Now add in the tomatoes, mix this in and cook for 5 minutes. Now add in the tomato ketchup, mix this in and let this cook for a further 2 minutes. Now add the boiled kidney beans, mix this through thoroughly and let this cook for 5 minutes on medium heat. Now you want to semi-mash the kidney beans. This will make the mixture thicker. Cook this for a further 2 minutes and your taco filling is ready. Let this cool down. To assemble the tacos, I have filled these with kidney bean mix, guacamole, lettuce and cheese, and top this with jalapenos. You can also add salsa and sour cream if you wish, or any other toppings as you prefer. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to like this video, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.